Hey guys, Doug Jones here. I just want to show you quickly what LEV-AI has done for my social posting and what it can do for yours. Check this out. I'm going to share the screen here, and this is my Facebook page that you'll see in a second. Over here on the Facebook page, you will see that I set this up in June of 24. I got kicked off of Facebook. I didn't even do anything. Somebody hijacked my account and did something, and they threw me off and wouldn't let me back in. So I had to start over. So here's June 24th. It's a picture that, the background picture and stuff inserted. And here is the boring posts that I've been doing. And this is about a year's worth. And that's it. I am not a Facebook user. I'm still not a Facebook user, but I understand the value of Facebook and Instagram and X and especially LinkedIn for business. I'm just not a guy that posts a lot. I'm old. I'm not a social media junkie. I don't even like to be on it, but I know it's important. So what LEV-AI has done for me is allowed me to get this done quickly in the morning. And by the way, this is the only kind of fun thing I ever posted before. This is a really funny thing about bears. You might want to take a screenshot of it. You can read it later. Give you 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, enough of that. Here's more boring posts. This is one I just forwarded because I thought the picture was so cool by Richard Milligan there. That one actually got some engagement, I think. Yeah, one it got a comment, a couple of likes. Here's more of the ones I did for when I got into LEV-AI. This is really boring stuff. It's all I knew how to do. I didn't know how to do stuff that was engaging because I'm not a social media guy. So there's the boring stuff I put out. I created that, which is, at least eye-catching. Didn't do any good. Got one other like besides me and a couple of comments. I didn't know what to do with them. Now I know what to do with them because thanks to LEV-AI, it will tell me what to do with comments and likes. You can see that really nothing that would cause somebody to respond and to engage. The currency of social media, guys, is engagement. So here's what happened when I started using the tool to make posts. See, these are boring posts I made before. Here's the first one I made with the AI. So this is just a week ago, or maybe not even that, October 13th. Today is the 6th, 17th. So that was 4 days ago. That was my first post with the system. So this is what it created for me in about a second. It says, embracing LEV-AI's full business tool set means even more freedom to chase after what you're passionate about, whether it's finally writing that novel or spending more time with the family on a beautiful fall day. We're here to make it happen. And here's the key, the engagement hook. How do you use tech to gain more time for what you love? And it created these hashtags for me. I didn't even know what a hashtag was before I got involved here, but it creates those hashtags for you that are appropriate to your post. So it did this for me in about a second. That's way better than anything I've ever posted. Here's another one. I got the picture. I didn't like their picture, so I changed the picture to this one, which I do like. But this one it created for me again on the next day. At LEV-AI, we're waving goodbye to office borders, saying hello to productivity from anywhere, even the comfort of a giant hand. So a little humor there. Explore the freedom, blah, blah, blah. And here's the hook. Let's grow, connect, and succeed globally with a smile. And then a couple of more hashtags. And then wanted to have some personal stuff in here. I'm a big ski fan. I ski a lot. So here's one that I just found this beautiful picture. And the LEV-AI tool allowed me to put in the caption, mountains, please. And here's what this one says. Ski season is coming. Skiing under a brilliant blue sky feels like a breath of pure oxygen. It nourishes my soul. Who else finds that time on the slopes clears the mind and invigorates the spirit? I'm curious, do you prefer a leisurely glide or speeding down the mountain? Share your slope style. So it's, again, asking for engagement. Now, these have only been up a few days. We'll see what happens. But here's one I put up that is more about family, because what LEV-AI does is it creates time, right, that we can then spend with family. So feeling overwhelmed by business tasks at LEV-AI, we've got your back. This is AI writing this, guys, not me. AI tools are here to boost your productivity and help you reclaim your time. After all, who doesn't want more moments for what truly matters? How do you balance work versus what's really important? Share your thoughts below and the hashtags. So, and it came up with this picture for me. Great picture for that. And then here's one I put, reflecting on nearly 50 years of marriage. Our 49th anniversary is coming up very soon. So reflecting on nearly 50 years of marriage, my wife is still my best friend, brings such joy, blah, blah, blah. And and here's the engagement question, how do you nurture your most cherished relationships over time? Would love to hear what's worked for you. So those are questions that create engagement. So let's add another one here just to show you how this works. I'll start off here. If you're in your back office at LEV-AI, on the dashboard, you just click on LEV-AI platform. Right there on the dashboard, it will then take you out to your LEV-AI platform that has all this multiple tools. I can either click on create a personal social post or a business post to generate leads. So I'm going to click on that one. And I'm going to click on business post up here. I have to select which business I'm talking about because you can have multiple business profiles in here for different things you're doing. So I'm going to click LEV-AI, and I don't want to have to think about this. So I'm going to create an instant post. So it's going to decide what we're posting today, not me. So here's what I came up with. At LEV-AI, we're here to give you back the most valuable resource, time. Our AI tools make running your business a breeze so you can focus on what truly matters to you. What would you do with a few extra hours each day? Share your thoughts below. Now, can you imagine busy, overstressed, overworked entrepreneurs reading that? They'll resonate with that. This is what I felt, for a long time before I got this AI tool. I just couldn't get it all done. So that's not a great image about time, right? So I'm going to change that image. By the way, every time you make an adjustment, it's learning what you like. And so it gets better and better over time. It's pretty amazing. So if I'm just going to go out here and put time freedom in a Google search, and then I'm going to click on images. How about this one? How to achieve time freedom as an entrepreneur. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to save that. So now I go back to LEV-AI. I'm going to go back to my images. I'm going to upload this. My images is the images I've saved within this system. So there's my new one. So here it is here. So I'm going to select that image. I'm going to add it. So now I've changed the picture in my post here. So now I'm just going to click posts, and it tells me what to do. Go to Facebook and create a post, paste the text, and select the image. So let me show you how easy this is. I'm going to go to Facebook. So I open a post on Facebook. I'm going to right click and click paste. And there's the text of my post that AI just created for me, right? And now I need to put an image in. We already know what image we want, and it downloaded it already. So I just click on downloads, go and find that image, click open. There it is, click post, and bingo, that post is now on Facebook. Now, Facebook is just one of multiple AI site or social media sites. So now I'm just going to click next over here on the right. And that shows me my Facebook one. But what if I wanted to post on Instagram? It will adjust this. Now for Instagram, I can do the same thing. LinkedIn, same thing. I don't have Instagram. I do have LinkedIn, so we'll do that. Post. I'm going to open LinkedIn, close Facebook, close time freedom, open LinkedIn. And here is LinkedIn. I'm going to go again to home, start a post, click paste. There it is. And I have to put the picture in. Now it's telling the different sizes for LinkedIn and Facebook, right, for pictures. So it's created that same image, but for LinkedIn size instead of Facebook size. So I click on LinkedIn image, click on next, click on post. Bingo, I'm done. I can do the same thing for X, for TikTok, for whatever you want to do. So it is pretty incredible. So guys, that's it. I just want to show you how easy it is, massively time-saving it is, and how much better the posts are that the AI creates than ones I would create. So guys, you can go to biggestlaunchever.com with hyphens between the words. So it's biggest-launch-ever.com. Biggestlaunchever.com, hyphens between the words. That will take you to a 5-minute intro of LEV-AI. And if you like what you see, below that video box is a button. That button will take you to a full presentation. So once again, this is Doug Jones in Lake Oswego, Oregon, with another great LEV-AI day. Have a good one.